when we see celebrities' Instagram posts or snaps with that delicate, radiant and sophisticated glow? We all want that too, right? Hi guys, I'm Ankita and today I'm going to share some tips and tricks to help you get that celebrity makeup glow so you can shine like a superstar wherever you go. Before I begin, if you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. First things first, dewy skin starts with clean skin because you can pack on as much makeup as you want, but if your skin isn't fresh, the makeup will never look fresh. So ensure that you follow a thorough skincare routine so that the skin gets all the nourishment it needs. Now the most gorgeous dewy makeup begins with applying a primer. It not only blurs out your pores but also takes care of other imperfections like blemishes and hyperpigmentations. Since we can't solely rely on our makeup to blur imperfections and brighten our skin, a good primer is necessary that gives a luminous finish and adds a subtle glow to the skin, just like this primer right here. It's the Lakme Absolute Glow Primer. Squeeze out a dollop of primer onto the back of your hand, dot it all over the face and neck and blend it out. It literally gives that shine coming from within, all thanks to the luminescent pearls that give the skin an instant radiant glow. Plus, it is also enriched with glycerine that hydrates the skin and gives a dewy look. And the best part about this primer is that it comes in a light and sheer texture that can be used as a moisturizer too, which means you can layer it under your makeup or use it on its own. Next is applying the foundation. I don't know if you have noticed, but celebrities' skin look like they haven't applied any foundation, almost like no makeup look. Now that's because they opt for a foundation that matches their skin tone and has a dewy or radiant finish, which means if you too want a glowy base, bid adieu to your matte foundations as they do not have light reflective properties, whereas dewy formulas are creamy and luminous that helps create a radiant youthful glow. This is the dewy foundation that I have been loving lately. It's the Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Serum Foundation in the shade Cool Rose. Just dot it all over the face and neck area and then blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. Use light circular motions to blend the foundation into your skin, ensuring that there are no harsh lines or patches. This serum in a foundation is infused with the goodness of hyaluronic acid and the power of niacinamide, which makes the skin feel nourished and hydrated on the inside while making it look flawless and radiant on the outside. No more glow please, said no woman ever, right? It's time to reach for a highlighter, a star product to take the glow up a notch. Now picking the right highlighter formula and applying it strategically will help transform your look as it will lift and brighten up your skin complexion like no other. My go-to highlighter has been this one. It's the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Areas to focus on includes the peaks of your cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the cupid's bow and the inner corner of your eyes. I prefer using a liquid highlighter as they have a smooth and creamy texture that blends easily into the skin, creating a seamless and natural looking finish. They also tend to be more buildable, so you can achieve a subtle or more intense glow depending on your preference. Lastly, if you want your makeup to look radiant all day, you've got to start setting your base. But do not use a compact to set your base as it will mattify the complexion, thereby defeating the purpose. Best is to spritz a dewy setting spray as it will instantly add radiance into the skin while ensuring that your makeup stays put. I like to use the Lakme Absolute Made to Last setting spray. Hold the spray 5 to 6 inches away from your face and spray 2 to 3 times. You can go over it with a damp beauty sponge while the spray dries. This will help lock the product in place and keep the glow intact. This This non-sticky and lightweight setting spray is infused with the goodness of hyaluronic acid and aloe vera extract that moisturizes and hydrates the skin, all the while giving your makeup power for it to last long. So guys, I hope you like this video on how to get the celebrity makeup glow. Do try out these tips and let me know how they've worked for you in the comment section below. Before I go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. Bye!